table given like this, we first got to work out the expectation of x, and that equals the value times the probability and the sum of all those. So 1 times 0.4 plus 3 times 0.3 plus 5 times 0.2 plus 7 times 0.1. Do that in a calculator, that gives me 3. Variance of x equals, that is the expectation of x squared minus the expectation of x squared. So the expectation of x squared is just like working out the expectation of x. Instead of having x, we have x squared, which is 1, 9, 25, 49, just squaring the x bit. And so that bit will become 1 times 0.4 plus, instead of doing 3 times 0.3, it's now 9 times 0.3 plus, and it's now 25 times 0.2, and it's now plus 49 times 0.1, and that's the expectation of x squared minus the expectation of x, which I just worked out, which is 3 squared, and that gives me, that's 13 minus 3 squared, and that equals 4. And part 2. 3 independent values of x are chosen, 1, 3, 5 and 7, so I could get a 3 and a 5 or whatever. It tells me that x1 plus x2 plus x3 must be 19, so I've got to have 2 7s and 1 5, so I could get a 7, 5, or 7, 5, 7, or 5, 7, 7. Those are my 3 possibilities, and 2 of them, which one's this one, x1, so this one's x1, that's x2, that's x3, so probability that x1 equals 7 equals 2/3, because 2 of them out of 3 have got a 7 for the first one. So that's done that bit, and now for the third part I'll do up here. 11 independent values of x are chosen. Use an appropriate formula to find probably exactly 4 of these. What I'm going to have, if I call it x, that'll be a binomial. How many trials are there? There's 11 trials, and what's the probability of success for 5s is going to be 0.2. And I've got to work out the probability that x is exactly 4. And so that will equal, I've got to have 11c4 times by, I've got to have 4 successes, that'll be 0.2 to the power of 4, and then it'll be times all the rest of them, so it'll be 7 of them will be failures, and if it's 0.2 for success, it'll be 0.8 for failure. Got a calculator, that is 0.110729662. It keeps going, which equals 0.111 to 3 significant figures. And that's question 3 done.